Hey guys, it's Albert in Muffin Group. In this tutorial, I would like to show you how to create copy to clipboard button that could be used, for example, for copying discount code that could be used later in the cart. Such solutions help acquire more customers, generate leads and boost your sales. Let's not waste the time then on this introduction and let's jump to my screen. As you can see, I previously created a pop-up that I want to display to potential customers visiting the store. The pop-up contains a button. Of course, you can style it however you like, so it won't look like a button, for example, that includes a discount code that can be used in the store. Once entered in the cart, the discount mentioned in the pop-up will be applied. In this particular case, it's Start 30, which grants a 30% discount at checkout. When clicking this button, the discount code will be copied to the browser's clipboard. I won't go over the general functionality of the pop-up builder now, because I've already covered it in another video. So if you haven't had the chance to watch it, I will leave you a link in the left top corner, the video where I explain the basics and overall functionality of the pop-up builder. Okay, let's focus on the button then. Under Settings, Advanced, button have such a great option named Functional Button. This option determines how button should behave on click. And because I want button to copy text to clipboard, I had to select Copy to Clipboard option from the drop-down list. And when do so, three extra fields appear: Copy to Clipboard text, Tooltip text, and Confirmation text. Copy to Clipboard text is text you would like to be copied into the clipboard. And because in my case it's Start 30, I have to put this text into this field. Confirmation text is text that would display for 2 seconds after copying action. But tooltip text is field for those who want to display tooltip on button hover. And because I would like to inform potential clients about the action they may take on button click, I typed copy to clipboard text, so user knows that after clicking the button, discount code will be copied to clipboard so they can use it later. Whenever potential client click this button, tooltip text will be replaced for 2 seconds with copied text, so the user knows that the code is in the clipboard already. This field is optional, and you can leave it empty to not display the tooltip. If you will leave this field empty, there would be no tooltip on hover and appropriate information about copied action will be displayed for 2 seconds in place of the button title. You can always click toggle description icon to find this useful information as well. Let's see how it works now in front end. Let's copy code to the clipboard. Now let's go to the cart where I already added products and apply our coupon code we just copied into clipboard. As you can see, code works great and applies discount in the cart. That's it for this tutorial. Hope you liked this video, and from now on you will be using this feature in your project more often. And if you like this video, I encourage you to watch another video where I explain how to create full screen menu. And as always, thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we release a new video. And if you have more questions, please visit our support center at support.muffingroup.com.